How to create an email folder in Outlook Mail. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily do that. So the first thing you can do is open up your Outlook on your laptop or your phone. You can use the app or web browser, it's completely up to you. So for example, if I want to move certain things to a new folder, what I can do is just select this by hovering over to the left side here. I'll just select some of these few items. Now you can just tap on this move to button and you'll find all of the available folders here. But in this case, we're going to create a new folder. Now just name your folder. Let's just say something like random and then tap on save. So all of these folders are now moved to the random folder. And you can find the new folder if you just hover over your mouse. You'll find different folders that you can access here. Now, there are other folders that you can transfer it to as well. For example, the junk file, deleted items, archives, and more. That's just basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.